we checked nationwide. There's not a million of them, but there are a good amount that are under $40,000 for an extended battery pack of the F-150 Lightning with less than 100,000 miles. So we saw ones with 65, maybe 70, 80,000 miles in that price range. That is a heck of a lot of car for that price.
Yes.
And didn't they just update the DC fast charging curve again?
Yeah, so that, just to get into it real quick, the extended battery comes with 300 to 320 miles of range. And yes, they did just update the DC fast charging curve, so it'll charge even faster now than it did before.